Greetings, people. Your friendly neighborhood executor here, and I want to talk to you about something that's really pissing me off right now, which is the Ninth Circuit Court. And I am so unbelievably pissed off right now at these disgusting, sick, ridiculous morons. I can't even believe we have civilization. They call this civilization. I don't even know how you can call it that when you have people as stupid as the ones who run the Ninth Circuit Court. I mean, I want someone to explain this to me. Okay? I want to read to you briefly this article of Judge Robart. Just 1 second while I grab that. Okay, this is from the Conservative Tribune. Judge Robart makes error about terrorists from list of 7 countries in travel ban. The judge who issued an injunction against President Donald Trump's temporary travel ban came under criticism after a key part of his questioning turned out to be incredibly faulty. Judge James Robart, a Seattle-based federal jurist, issued the injunction Friday based in part on a lack of reasonable danger to Americans from individuals who hailed from 7 countries on the temporary ban list. Okay? However, a clip that surfaced of the Friday hearing indicated that Robart was grossly in error about understanding of the number of terrorism-related arrests involving individuals from those countries. A portion of the clip shows Judge Robart asking a government attorney how many terrorism-related arrests have been of foreign nationals for those 7 countries since 9/11. When the attorney said that she didn't have that information, Robart responded, "Let me tell you," because he knows everything. "The answer to that is none, because I'm a judge, I'm a lawyer in robes, so I'm a god, right? As best as I can tell." So, I mean, you're arguing on behalf of someone that says we have to protect the United States from these individuals coming from these countries, and there's no support for that? Okay. You listen to me, Judge Robart, okay, you frigging moron, okay? Now, do you think that the President of the United States has access to more information about terrorism and dangers to this country than you do, you pathetic little lawyer in robes? What do you think? What do you think? You know more than the President of the United States of America, you turd, okay? Now, before I foam at the mouth and or my head explodes or something, if I can calm myself here. I mean, who is this guy? You know, he thinks he can somehow second guess the President of the United States. He has more power now than the President of the United States of America, and he can ban this stuff. Let's talk about this for a second. Now, Obama has banned people, immigrants in the past, and the law specifically states the President can ban anyone who wants, whether they have 2 heads, or they're from whatever country, or they're this particular religious belief, or it doesn't friggin' matter. He has a response. His job. He chooses. He picks and chooses. You know, Obama did this when Obama just opened the borders and said, yeah, anybody comes in here, you got Ebola, come on in. Nobody, you want Ebola? Oh, give me a big hug. Come on in. We love you. We love you, Ebola. Give Americans Ebola. Okay? Not a peep from this scumbag, this Robar. Okay? Not a peep from these Ninth Circuit morons. Okay? Nothing. Nothing. And now, they're just like, oh, Trump is bad. We're going to do everything we can to stymie Trump. This has been done in the past by a whole bunch of presidents. It says right there, he had in the authority, the president, this is his job. He has the authority to do this. Mr. Robar, okay, then the rest of these Ninth Circuit morons don't have the authority. And here's what I want. Here's what I want done. I want Trump to arrest Robar, okay, and the rest of these morons. I want to see them in prison. And not only that, I think he should make a deal with the Russians and let them stay at one of their Siberian gulags where it's 35 below zero. And you have to do calisthenics all day to keep yourself alive, okay? That's a good place for them to think about their decision making, okay? That's what I would like, okay? I mean, it's just ridiculous. Now, we had a great president in the past, probably the greatest president we've ever had, okay? One of my personal favorites, who was Andrew Jackson, you know? Here is a president who was probably even greater than George Washington, which is hard to believe, but it's true. Good old Andrew Jackson. Now, Andrew Jackson had problems with the courts. Now, I'm not a historical expert, and perhaps my memory is fails me, but it seems like this all goes back to the Trail of Tears, and he had judges telling him, "Oh, guess what? We're going to block you. You can't do this. And Andrew Jackson, his reply was simply, the court has made their decisions. Now let's see them enforce it. What are they going to do? And the same thing with this James Robart. Maybe the reason Trump hasn't arrested them yet or put them in jail is quite simply, how are they going to enforce it? Are they going to arrest the Border Patrol? Are they going to arrest Homeland Security? Are they going to fine them? You know, even if they did, Trump could just pardon them. What are they going to do? You know? But I am sick of this parallel construction we've had with these crappy court systems. I'm just tired. Well, I'll probably talk about parallel construction later, but I don't want to get into that right now. But yeah, this is what I'm pissed off about right now. And so I haven't made videos for YouTube in a long time, so I'm back now. I decided to make this my first return video, I guess, is the Ninth Circuit Court. So um, if you have any thoughts, feel free to post them. Of course, I really don't care, most likely, so I may not respond, you know, because I'm tired of, mostly I'm tired of stupid comments on YouTube, which is like gay or whatever, you know, but feel free to post. All right. All right. Thank you very much, and have a good day.